Hi guys, Richard at Orange Campers, and following on from the last workshop tour is just another one just to show you what we've got going on here at Orange Campers. And if Jess follows me and you have a walk around, we've got a customer's T5 in. So this is a birch over from Hillside, and we've had a few of these in now, and again it's going to have a transformation. We've taken the pop top off, or we're in the process now of taking the pop top off. We're going to put a high top on, which is just here behind this, in between these vans. You can see it in its raw state. Now that'll be on that roof, fully colour coded, some beautiful cupboards inside. It'll look as though it left the factory like that. You know, it really does transform it. So that's one build we've got in. We've got a few of the medium wheelbases in there, if you see. Andy's in there working in there. We've got that one on build. We've got one over there, one on the end as well. And then we've got the new demonstrator, that's due to go into build. So we've got an iron grey version, that's going to be a new demonstrator. So if you're looking for a van ready to go, we've got the current demonstrator up for sale. So, you know, if you're looking for a van ready to go, there's that option on the medium wheelbase. We've got the Scudo just finished. We're just doing a show this weekend, and we've just rushed and got this through and made it in time. So that's a beautiful little van. It's had a lot of interest already. And these always sell well, these little Scudos. The main advantage for these is that they fit under any height barrier because it's under 2 meters. But you know, I think it's 1.92 or 3. So it'll go in any multi-story. It really will drive like a car, and it's a great alternative to have a car. If you pan outside, you can see we've got a couple more vans waiting to come in. Another Scudo or Vivaro, same shape. And we've even got a 5 meter Classic, what we're building again for somebody. We've got a customer's van, what's up for sale. If you check the website out, that is a short wheelbase Classic on a high top, which is quite rare. So that's a 5 meter high top version, factory high top. And if we come back into the unit, John's been working on the medium wheelbase. So quick sneak preview in there. I'll let you have a quick nosy at the first high top medium wheelbase. Don't give me too much, Jess. So as you can see in there, it's a beautiful colour scheme. This is for a customer, it's a beautiful automatic. And if you fancy a medium wheelbase, we've got 15 of them due in anytime soon. And 10 are, I think we've got 5 automatics, is that right? 5 automatics. And they're a combination of the low roof, which you can have a pop top on, or the H2 version as well. We've got some H2. Automatics are only in the high roof, I've just been told. So if you fancy an auto, we do make a beautiful van as an automatic. But we have got manuals as well. And just as a little teaser, you can see we've got the nice, beautiful fly screens on the door. And there's a lot of really luxuries on these vans. They really are gorgeous vans. So that'll be coming. There'll be a full video on that very soon, showing the full finished van. Somebody last time when I did a video tour, they wanted to see my old... If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, etc. Check out the website for further details. Bobber, which is down there. I don't know if you can see it down there. For sale, if anyone wants a nice little Harley Davidson bobber, you can you make me an offer. That'll chase on you up if that's sold. But she don't like me having a bike. But not that I'm going out on it in this weather because it's freezing. But yes, I'd have a unit full of bikes. I mean, if we walk around the unit again, like I say, you'll see we've got a CNC. We've just been cutting out a CNC, and one of the lads is off today. So it's a bit quiet here really, and we're just getting ready to finish for the day, so it's nice and quiet at the end of the day. So like I say, a little workshop tour, and as always, you know, we're a family base, sort of, you know, we have a owners group and so on, and then we do have the lads who work here, like us, we constantly use our van, as you know, because you see us in it all the time. But Mark, our new production manager, he's got his own camper van, and he loves camper vanning. I guess that's why you're in this trade, is it, Mark?
Yeah,
and what have you?
Yeah, I love it. I don't think there's anything better than jumping in your van on a Friday after work and going up North Yorkshire for a weekend. Nice long walks, fresh air, recharges your batteries. It
does. It gets you out, and that's it. Mark's got a young family as well, and then not as young as mine, but he's got a young family, and you've got a small van as well. So you believe in the same as we believe: small's better. you know, you can get more places rather than these enormous great coach built, you know. And you've worked with them, obviously, from Swift.
Yep.
You know, you've been heavily involved in a lot of big vans, and just shows that you've got a small van, and you know that works better as a family little vehicle, doesn't it?
You can park them anywhere. You can take them anywhere.
You can.
It just gives you the freedom.
It does, and that's our ethos. And then Andy over in this van, look, we've caught him working. And and Andy's another avid. Andy's a climber. You can tell by his physique. He's yes, you know. I don't climb anymore, but so Andy's got his own van. You built your own van, didn't you?
Yeah,
and that was before you met us, didn't you?
Before I come to you. Yeah, we built that back in 2020, just before the lockdown.
Right. Yeah. Like a lot of people do in lockdown.
Like a lot of people. Yeah. And we get out as much as you possibly can.
Yeah.
It's great being in Sheffield next to the Peak District because we can just get out.
We've done a lot of vans for climbers, haven't we, Jess? We've done quite a few climber vans in the past. Not much recently, but yeah, we've got a few. We got some massive climbing people in Sheffield, didn't we? Some big names in Sheffield. But and then some of us come and see us. But yeah, everybody here loves vans and climbing. Mark in the background, he's a avid V-dubber. I don't know much about V-dubs, but Mark's an avid V-dub. He's got rid of his now, but again, you know, everyone here is really connected in vans and so on. So it's just an insight to a workshop and who works here. And as you know, we're all very passionate about anything camper vans. So check us out on social media, follow us on Facebook or Instagram, and hopefully we'll see you at one of the shows, because it's just starting to become show season for 2025. So check out the website for all the show dates, or book in and come and see us at the workshop.